friends, welcome to my channel Abacus Fun. This is our second video. In this video, we are going to see how the numbers are represented on the abacus. Along with that, we will also do addition on small numbers. So, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Keep in mind that all the beads are messed up, so you have to first zoom the abacus. Simply zoom the abacus and then we are good to go. Now pay attention to the point which is in the middle of the divider. This point represents that the rod is units rod. Means whenever you have to represent any number from 1 to 9, then you will have to represent it on the units rod. Okay, so first I am going to show you how to represent the numbers from 1 to 9. If you have to add 1, then simply add 1 by using your right hand's thumb. Add 1. That's it. Then adding 2. If you have to first subtract this one, so you have to subtract it using index finger. Add 2 now. 1, 2 means 2 beads represent the number 2. And you have to subtract it, then use the index finger. Then add 3. 3 beads represent the number 3. Less 3. Then add 4. Less 4. Now any guesses how to represent the number 5? Yes, absolutely. The upper bead represents the number 5 and we have to add it using the index finger. So now we have 5 on the abacus. Now subtracting 5. The number 5 is subtracted using the index finger itself. So subtract 5. Keep in mind that the 5 is added as well as subtracted using the index finger. Next is the number 6. You have to add the upper bead, means the bead which represents the number 5, and the lower bead to represent 1 simultaneously, like this. So here we go. We have our 6. Now subtract 6. Add 7 means this is 5 and the lower 2 beads represent ones. So 5, 6, 7. Subtract 7. Add 8. This is our 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Subtract 8. Then add 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Less 9. I hope you understood this. Now you must be wondering why we should use a particular finger to represent any number on the abacus. The simple answer to your question is that while you will learn the visualization techniques, means performing arithmetic operations without using the abacus, at that time the finger movements matter a lot. So please observe the finger movements and do them properly. Just remember the rule. On the units rod, we are going to add the lower beads using the thumb, and we are going to subtract them using the index finger. But in case of the number 5, we are going to add it using the index finger itself and subtract it using the same. After daily practice, it will be easier for you to do it without even noticing. Okay, now as you know how to represent numbers from 1 to 9 on the abacus, we will see some basic addition sums. Add 1 again, and then add 2. How to perform this on the abacus? I am not going to write the plus symbol. Assume that it is addition. So add 1. Using the thumb, we have to add 1 on the units rod. Again add 1. So you have to add one more bead. Then we have to add 2. So 1, 2 means we have to add 2 beads. Here we go. We have our answer. And what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 beads. So answer is 4. And zoom the abacus first, means less it, whatever the answer is, and then write the answer. Next sum, add 1, again add 1, then again add 1. Add 1 using thumb. Again add 1 using thumb. And once more. We have our answer, that is 3. Add 2, again add 2, and then less 2. Add 2 means 2 beads. Again add 2 means we have to add 2 beads more using the thumb. After that, less 2. Do you remember how to subtract any number using the index finger? So subtract 2, and that's our answer, that is 2. Add 4, less 2, again add 2, that is. So add 4 means 4 beads using the thumb. Then less 2 using the index finger, less 2 beads. Again add 2, adding using thumb, add 2, that is, our answer is 4. Next, add 1, add 3, less 3. Add 1, then add 3 means 3 beads. 1, 2, 3 means adding 3 beads will give us 4. After that, less 3, subtracting using index finger, less 3, and our answer is 1. Next sum, add 4, less 2, add 1, that is. So adding 4, then less 2 using the index finger, and add 1. Our answer is 3. Next sum, add 1, add 2, add 1 again, that is. So add 1, add 2 beads. Again add 1 bead. And here is our answer, that is 4. Next, add 3, minus 1, add 1, that is. So adding 3 using the thumb, then less 1 using index finger, adding 1 again using the thumb, and here is our answer, that is 3. It's quite easy, right? If you pay proper attention to each and every topic, then you will understand it easily. So we will practice some more examples in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.